Okay, good morning everyone. We are going to talk about the past simple tense. Okay, regular verbs with irregular verbs. Okay, first we will talk about the uses of the past simple tense. It's something happened at a particular time in the past يعني في وقت معين في الماضي. Okay, the keywords of the past simple: yesterday, last, ago. This is the very common keywords. Okay, and last we can say last week, last year, last month. For ago we can say 3 months ago, 2 minutes ago, 1 year ago, and so on. Okay, for the regular verbs we most of the time add ed to the verb or d or ied. Okay, for ed, for example, watch becomes watch it. Okay, clean becomes cleaned, like becomes like, smile becomes smiled. Here for d we just add d to the verb. Why? Because the verb end with e, so we just need to add d to the verb. Like, liked, smile, smile. And ied, cry becomes cried. The y here we remove the y or change the y into ied. Okay, study we change the y into ied. And here play, this is y also, but preceded by what? By a vowel here. And in this case play is still the same and just add ed. Here the y still the same and just add ed to the verb. We don't change the y in case of preceded by a vowel. Okay, and travel here we double the last letter. Travel becomes traveled. Okay, stop برضو here we double the last letter because of what? The vowel before the last letter, so we must double the letter and it becomes stopped. For example, he played football yesterday. He played football yesterday. And the negative of this sentence we will add to the subject didn't. Okay, here it becomes, this sentence becomes what? He didn't play football yesterday. Didn't, after didn't we put the verb in infinitive. Okay, the played becomes played. This is the basic form of the verb. And for the question we start with did. Did he play football yesterday? Did he play football yesterday? And also the verb here in infinitive. And the short answer for this question, it will be yes he did, no he didn't. Okay, and here this is the irregular verb, and دي لازم تتحفظ يا جماعة، لازم حفظ ملهاش. This is no rules for the irregular verbs, really no rules، لازم حفظ. Go becomes went, do becomes did, eat did, eat ate, buy bought, learn learned. Okay, make made, have or has becomes had, see saw, break broke, hear heard, think thought, fly flew, drink drank, write wrote, take took, spend spent, leave left, send sent, ring rang. And here this we will gonna answer this question, okay, for the past simple tense. Okay. Here number one, yes I walked to school with my friends. Yes, I walked to school with my friends. And by the way, this is unit 3. Yes, I walked to school with my friends, and between brackets did. Okay, so I must start with what? Did. We, first step we will remove yes. بنشيل yes وتشينج الاي بتحول ايه؟ تشينج into you. So did you walk? Walked here with ed. Okay, we'll change the verb. This is into the infinitive. It becomes did you walk to school with your friends? So number 2, I do my homework in the afternoon between brackets last week. So I will change this sentence into past simple type. Which tense this sentence? في أي tense السنتنس دي؟ I do. So this is in present simple. So we will change this sentence into from present simple into past simple. Okay. So did becomes what? Of course, do, sorry, becomes what? Did. So I do becomes I did my homework last week. Number 3, she drinks some orange juice. And here between brackets 2 hours ago. So drinks in the present simple, and we want to make it in past simple. So the past simple of drinks, drank. She drank some orange juice 2 hours ago. عشان كده الفيربات دي لازم حفظ، ملهاش غير حفظ. Okay, last night. He watches TV every night. Every night, the keywords of what? Of present simple. Very good. This sentence in present simple. And between brackets, last night. So we want to change this sentence into past simple. So watches, the past simple of watch, watched. Okay, we add ed to the verb. He watched TV last night. Okay. She ate pizza. Number 5, she ate pizza for lunch. We will start the sentence with what, so it will be a question. What? Here, ate. Ate, the past simple of what? Eat. Yes, very good. So we will write did. After what, it will be what did she eat for lunch? What did she eat for lunch? And notice something, we don't say the pizza because pizza here the answer. Okay. Number 5. Number 5 between brackets, not. Not means what? Means negative. So we will change this sentence into negative. The birds flew away. Flew here past simple of fly. So this is past simple, so we will need to put didn't. The birds didn't. After didn't, we must put the verb in the infinitive. Fly. Fly away. The birds didn't fly away. Okay. Number 7. No, she didn't buy a postcard. And between brackets, did. So we will start the sentence with did, the question with did. Did, first step, what? We will remove no and we will start with did. Did she buy a postcard? Number 8. They learned about dinosaurs at the museum. We will start between brackets here, where. So where did. Why did I write did? Because of learned. Learned is past simple of learn. Okay? So I wrote here did. Where did they? After did, we will need to put the subject. Here is the subject, they. Where did they learn? Yes, of course. After did, we put the verb in the basic form of it, the infinitive. Okay. يبقى السؤال where did they learn about dinosaurs? Of course, the answer will be at the museum. Number 9. Mom makes lunch every day. Mom makes lunch every day. This is a present simple. And between brackets yesterday, so we want us to change the sentence into past simple, yes. So, mom makes. Makes? What is the past simple of make? Yes, made. Mom made lunch yesterday. It's very simple if you memorize these verbs very well. Number 10. I heard these good news last night. Between brackets, when. So, he wants us to make a question start with when. When he heard, this verb is past simple, yes. So, when, after when we put did, yes. When did, and I change into you. When did you hear, yes. We put here the verb in infinitive. Hear these good news. When did you hear these good news? Last night. So the answer, last night. Number 11. Mom and dad always go for a walk. And here between brackets, last Friday. So, mom and dad, we remove always and change go into the past simple of it, and the past simple of go went. So, mom and dad went for a walk last Friday. And number 12. Yesterday we had a great party in Mona's house. Between brackets, where. So, we will start the question with where, and after where we put, yes, did. Why? Because of yesterday. This sentence begins with yesterday, so it's past simple. We need to put did after where. Where did you? And I want you to notice something that we also change into you. Where did you have a great party yesterday? In Mona's house. So this is the answer. We don't put this in the question because it's the answer. Number 13. Ahmed bought 3 shirts. How many? Between brackets, how many? So we will start the question with how many. How many? How many shirts? We want to ask about what? About the shirts. So the shirts, we put the shirts immediately after how many. How many shirts? How many shirts? How many shirts? And bought, this is the past simple of what? Of buy. So bought is past simple, so we will need to put did. How many shirts did Ahmed buy? Okay. Number 14. I saw some monkeys on the trees. And between brackets, not. That means that he wants us to make the sentence in negative. Okay. I saw. So I need to use what? Yes, very good. Didn't. Yes. I didn't see. Yes. I have to change this verb into the infinitive. This is the past simple of what? Of see. So I didn't see any monkeys on the trees. Number 15. Amr has a shower after playing football. And between brackets, yesterday. So he wants us to make the sentence into, or to make it in past simple. So here, has change into what? Yes, had. Amr had a shower after playing football yesterday. So we finished the past simple. Okay? Thank you.